Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to our style journey. So in today's video I will share with you some beautiful, awesome and the most latest designs ideas of plain midi dresses. So in this video you will explore the most beautiful and most stylish plain midi dress designs ideas, A-line dress designs ideas in satin silk fabric and the chiffon fabric. So there are a lot of beautiful ideas. There are a lot of beautiful designs are coming up next in this video. I have just added the most stylish most beautiful designs of midi dresses, A-line dresses that are trending in fashion these days. So I hope you will really enjoy this collection. There are a lot of ideas coming up next in this video. There are a lot of designs. So guys, if you want to watch more designs like this, so please do like my video and watch the video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you will explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. So guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So guys, if you are loving these amazing and beautiful plain A-line dress designs ideas for ladies, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my